we'll do experiment on sedimentation, decantation and filtration. These three processes are required to filter or remove the insoluble impurities. How we have to do? First we will see what material is required. First we will take beaker, and this is keep or funnel, mud, water, stirrer by which we have to stir the mud, and filter paper. Okay, so these are the things that are required to perform our activity. First what we will do, first we will take this beaker, we'll put some mud in it. Suppose we are having this muddy water. Okay, so we are having this muddy water. I have stirred this. Now after some time we will see that the mud has settled down at the bottom of the beaker. We have to keep it aside for half an hour. Okay, and I have kept it, this beaker, for half an hour. You will see that the impurities or the mud has settled down at the bottom. When the impurities settle down at the bottom, this process is called as sedimentation, because these are the sediments that are settled down. So this process is called as sedimentation. And now next process is decantation. Decantation means when we pour this sedimented water in another beaker without moving or stirring this water. So when we are pouring this sedimented water in another beaker, this process is called as decantation. Okay, now our last step is filtration. For now this water is not clean, so we have to filter this water. So for that we use filtration process, and for filtration we need filter paper. This is the filter paper. Like you are having sieves at home by which you sieve tea leaves. We have to filter these undissolved or particles. So how we have to use the filter paper? First we will take this filter paper, we will fold it like this, half. Then again we will fold it like this. And now what we have to do? One part on one side and the other part on other side. Okay, now we will put this in funnel, okay, from which we have to filter. We have to put this in funnel. Filter paper we have kept it like this. Now we will filter this. Okay, so we will put this, we have to take a bigger beaker. I am not having, we are having at lab. So we will filter it, and what will happen? After some time you will see that the filtered water is clean. You can see this. This process is called filtration. Okay, after some time you will see that the sediments or the muddy particles are settled down at the filter paper. You can see all the mud has settled down at the filter paper. So this process is called filtration. So first what we have done? Sedimentation, when the impurities settle down at the bottom of the beaker. Then we have done decantation and then filtration. Okay, so these are the three processes by which insoluble impurities can be removed. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.